Father's song. He calls the sun to wake the dawn and run the course of day till evening falls in crimson rays. His fingerprints in flakes of snow, his breath upon the spinning globe. He charts the eagle's flight, commands the newborn baby's cry. Hallelujah, let all creation sing and sing. Hallelujah, fill the earth with songs of worship, tell the wonders of creation's King. Creation gazed upon his face, the ageless one in time's embrace, unveiled the Father's plan of reconciling God and man. As second Adam walked the earth, whose blameless life would break the curse, whose death would set us free to live with him eternally. Hallelujah, let all creation stand and sing. Hallelujah, fill the earth with songs of worship, tell the wonders of creation's King. Creation longs for his return, when Christ shall reign upon the earth. The bitter wars, the rage, are birth pains of a coming age. When he renews the land and sky, all heaven will sing and earth reply.